Aloha guys, welcome to the second episode of Filming Paradise. We're coming to you from the beautiful Grand Wailea Resort in South Maui. And on this episode, we are going to go on a helicopter tour, West Maui-Molokai. And we're also going to check out some of the beautiful beaches and do some dining and more. So come along with us on Filming Paradise. Aloha. We are here outside the Grand Wailea, and when you first come in on your right, you see these series of waterfalls that are behind me. We're going to walk around the property and check it out, so come along on Filming Paradise. Aloha. So tell me, mister, are you going to subscribe to Filming Paradise?
Oh, I'm not sure I can find that.
No? Well, maybe with your dad's help. What do you think?
Yeah. I'm not sure.
Well,
I don't have the kind of YouTube for that.
Well, yeah, I think you should get on there because you're going to be the progressive.
I do have the adult YouTube to watch on it. You're doing video right now.
I am.
Oh, subscribe.
That's
and
right.
hit that like button and ring that bell.
Okay. So here we are walking along the Wailea Beach walk, and we've got Polo Beach, which is right at the start. If you start at the end here, kind of nice. And if you keep going around, I'll mean to make you dizzy, you got the Fairmont Kea Lani. And we got, looks like some paddle boards and things over here. Pretty cool. Kayaks. And nice little beach access. So as we continue on, again, you'll get a little better view of Polo Beach from here. And it's a fairly decent size. And as you continue on up Wailea Point, beautiful, I don't know if these are houses or try and figure that out for you. And very well done. Again, Polo Beach. As you come around, really nicely landscaped out here. Super beautiful.
Here we are at Blue Hawaiian Helicopter.
Amen.
Ready for one of a lifetime. Welcome everybody.
Chô men ta. Amen à, hai cái chô nó chô luôn này.
I never seen you shy.
Thảo cái hay kìa.
guys, we're here in Wailea at Monkeypod, and we decided to try the happy hour. They've been closed down for like 9 months. So it looks like business is good. Still limited capacity here in the first couple days of May, but we'll give you an inside scoop. All right, aloha. Okay, so Harvey got the Proletarian, thank you. And I got the margarita here. We got some fries. So this is their world famous Mai Tais that Seimuch is going to try. But honey, let's have you have a sip, stir it up, see what you think.
Smile when you're drinking it. You look happy.
Oh yeah, all right. Liesl, what did you order? A margarita pizza?
No, cheese pizza, some deviled eggs.
Nice.
Look at those.
And Jim? What?
Garlic truffle fries.
Oh, nice. We've got a breaking story. Kawai is actually eating. He's eating his own concoction of pizza and French fries. What? Tell us how it is, mister. Come on. Come on. Tell us. All right. Don't be shy. Mom, how is it? All right. So these guys decided on one of the chocolate pies, which look at Kawai. He's ready. And we've got one of these strawberry pies.
You have to take a fork.
Which looks good.
Take a fork, one fork for
I
you
think
and
that
Mom.
is. Come on, Kawai. Hey guys, I've had a lot of questions about why they should follow us on Filming Paradise, and I just want to let you know I've been a concierge in the hospitality industry since 2003. I've answered tens of thousands of questions, booked several thousand activities, and helped people with some of their best dining and vacations. So come along with Filming Paradise and see a different side of Hawaii. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, what do you wear on a helicopter tour? It's best to wear solid dark colored clothing to avoid reflection while filming. I was walking along the beach and I saw the two most beautiful women here in Wailea. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this second episode of Filming Paradise. Again, we're coming to you from the Grand Wailea in South Maui. And if you liked what you saw, please make sure that you do hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and also if you hit the notification bell, share with your friends. We're trying to grow this channel. Hey, thanks for coming along on Filming Paradise. Aloha. Or touch the bell and share.
Thumbs up.
And share with your friends.
And subscribe and fun.
You share, thumbs up.